Hello friends, the question is like this. Show that f of x into g of x dx from the limit 0 to a is equal to twice of f of x dx from the limit 0 to a if f and g are defined as f of x is equal to f of a minus x and g of x plus g of a minus x is equal to 4. So friends, all the information which is given in this question is quite simple. So we have to just apply the execution to solve this question. Okay, so let's see how we are going to solve or execute this question. So first of all, I assume I is equal to the left hand side, that is f of x into g of x dx from the limit 0 to a. And because I have been given a minus x in the question, so it would be very wise, it would be very much intelligent enough to apply this property. First of all, I mark this as equation number 1 and apply this property that fx dx from 0 to a is equal to f of a minus x dx from 0 to a. So on applying this property, what would be done, that this x and this x would be replaced by a minus x. So I'm going to get I as equal to f of a minus x g of a minus x dx from the limit 0 to a. Now, as it is given in this question that f of x is equal to f of a minus x, so I'm going to quickly replace f of a minus x with fx. So I get I as equal to f of a minus f of x into g of a minus x dx from the limit 0 to a. Okay, and I mark this as equation number 2. Now I'm going to add both these equations 1 and 2. Okay, so on adding, I plus I is 2i, and this is the right hand side of equation number 1, this is the right hand side of equation number 2. Okay, now as it is quite clear that both the integrals are being integrated with respect to same independent variable and the limits are from 0 to a also, so we can combine both these definite integrals, okay, and write it like this. 2i is equal to f of x into g of x plus g of a minus x dx from the limit 0 to a. Now you can see that for both these terms I have taken fx as common and g of x plus g of a minus x is written inside the bracket. So after taking common, we are going to get this expression from taking fx common from these two terms. Okay, now g of x plus g of a minus x is equal to 4. It is given in the question. Okay, so this can be replaced by 4. So I'm going to get 2i is equal to fx into 4 dx from the limit 0 to a. Now we have 4 here, 2 here, it can be cancelled. So I'm going to obtain I is equal to twice fx dx from 0 to a, which is equal to our right hand side, what we have to prove. So this proves the question. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest update, subscribe and like the videos on these YouTube channels HSK Shiksha and Maths Help by HSK. Thank you.